You must have heard about this brand all over the internet. The reels, the videos, all of them said that it's really affordable and very good quality. So let's put the claims to test. We are talking about Mars Cosmetics. So let us see if the quality also good or it's just a very good marketing trick. Let's go.
You see here, kid, you gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bang it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking at my face for the very first time, my name is Sarah. I make videos related to fashion, related to lifestyle, related to productivity, skincare, makeup, and if anything of that interests you, then please consider subscribing. So I just wanted to do a full face of Mars Cosmetics and see what the hype is about, how the products are, give you an honest review. One thing I assure you on this channel is that you will get an honest review. So without any further talking, let's get into the video. Okay, this is my bare face. I haven't put anything other than lip balm and moisturizer. So let's get going. So we are starting with base. I first bought the Mars Cancel Concealer in the shade 06. I think it's going to be very light on me. So I am going to go in with a color corrector first. The color corrector is from Inside Cosmetics. I didn't think that the shade match is going to be this bad. So let me just put it wherever I have some dark spots. Okay, I look a little funny right now, but I've done all the color correcting wherever it's necessary. So now we can go in with the concealer. First look about the packaging. The packaging looks really nice. I'm gonna put it wherever I have applied my color corrector. This is how the wand looks. I really like the wand actually. It's really good. Blend, 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 blend. Just gonna apply a little bit. Okay, this is me after blending it, and I think it has matched me perfectly because it feels very cohesive, but the blendability is really good. I just use my hands to blend it. Blends perfectly, and honestly I don't have any complaints. It's not giving me those patchy feeling that even some of the high-end brands do give. So yes, I really like it. For the base, we have the Mars BB cream. This is how it looks. On a regular basis, I don't apply a lot of makeup. I just put either a skin tint or a tinted sunscreen. So I thought BB cream is the best option. Let me get my brush, France. 1 minute. I'm gonna take in a little bit and tap, 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 tap. Blend, 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 blend. Okay. I think I really like this because it is giving a very natural finish. Let me properly apply it without talking. How do people do talking plus makeup videos? Because I am clearly struggling. Okay, this is how the base looks, and I think I've done a good job with the shade match, and I also really like it. I must tell you that it's not going to give you like a lot of coverage because of course it's a BB cream. Like you can still see my marks over here and here, but it gives you a clean slate is what I feel. My skin looks very even toned and gives a nice sheen also to it. If you're like a regular college going girl or an office going girl, I think you can just put it fatafat se and you can go. I think it's a very good product. Okay, and then I haven't ordered a powder from Mars Cosmetics, so I'm just gonna make do with whatever I have to just bake my under eyes. Okay, I think we are done with base. Now we are going to do our eyebrows because I have very light eyebrows, and if I don't do my eyebrows, I just look very weird. Yeah, this is what I have. This is the Mars Cosmetic brow palette. This is how it looks. This is what I use on a regular basis, so I haven't bought it explicitly for the video. It has like a very jet black one. It has a lightish blacker one, then a dark brown and a light brown. So you get all the shades that you might want. I go for this one, like the lighter black, because looks more natural, I feel. You get a spoolie too with this, which I have lost, but then you can use it to brush out your lash. So I really like this product in general also, and I would of course recommend it because I use it on a regular basis. And now we have this product, which is Mars Dance of Joy eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks. It has a few shimmers. It also has very natural brown tones in it. So that is something I go for generally also. We are going to go in with a very neutral eye. So backstory, I used it the other day. I was trying to film this video. I used this particular one, like the glittery one. And I must tell you, I was disappointed because it was like chunky particles. If you use those chunky while doing your projects when you were a child. This is exactly how it feels because it was very clumpy. I had glitter all over here and I was struggling to remove it. So I decided to like scrap that video out and I'm filming it all over again. So this one was a disappointment. So I'm not going to take a risk. I'm just going to go with any other glitter shade. For my crease, I'm going to go in with this one. Okay, and without risking it, we are going to go in with a safe color for my eyelid. I think I'm going to go in with this one because it looks really nice on camera and I think we should try it. Let's go. Gold it is, gold. I'm going to just use my finger for this. I think the shimmer is very pretty. I'm going to go in with this one for my outer corner. And this is how my eyes look. I like it, but I feel like I have used better palettes. If you talk about the shade range, like these, the neutral colors that you get, I think it's a very good one. So if you're a beginner, if you want to try out something and you want to just experiment, then I think this is a very good palette. But I think there are better ones too. So okay, next we are going to try to put some eyeliner. I have the Mars Sky Liner. It looks something like this and we all know which packaging it resembles, which is what I have already with me. This is the Maybelline eyeliner and this is also a very good product. It looks like kind of inspired, but okay, let's try. Now it's the difficult part where I have to concentrate. Okay, this is how the eyeliner application went and I must say I really like it. It also gives a very similar finish as the Maybelline one. It also has very thin wand, so it gives you like a very precise eyeliner look. It's good. I mean, I don't mind it. If I run out of that, I can use this. And it also doesn't have that super glossy kind of finish that some eyeliners have. So I think I really like it. I would recommend this also. Next, we have a blush. We have the Sugar Rush Liquid Blush. This is how it looks. Sugar Blush Liquid Rush. Huh? Sugar Rush Liquid Blush. Sugar Rush Liquid Blush. Sugar Rush Liquid Blush. Sounds like a tongue twister itself. I'm scared of using this because it looks very pigmented. So this is how it looks. You open it and this is the wand. Put 2 drops here and here. Let's blend fast. It looks like somebody has slapped me very hard on one side of my cheek. Maybe I applied a lot. Let's see. How can we fix this? I did the W method where they blend it on the cheek as well as the nose. But honestly, not bad. I like it. We are going to use the Edge of Desire lip liner. So lip liners from Mars are also really famous and I think they retail for really less, within 100 rupees. Their lip liners are very good. I tried a few and I liked them. You see, it's so pigmented. This is like a nice brown color, so I like browns on me. It has a very buttery kind of a finish, so it's very easy to glide on your lips. You can just sharp it, glide it on, works perfectly, and I really like it. This one's really good. The lip liners, I really recommend. If you don't want to buy anything, I would say buy lip liners because then you can make different lip combinations and it looks really good. So then we are going in with the Mars Matte Muse lipstick. This is how it looks. Few I have taken from my sister's vanity because of course, why not? This is how it looks. Has a very velvety texture. It gives you a very like blurry kind of a finish. That's why the name Velvet Mousse. And if you see closely, you will not be able to see any lines as well on my lips. So that is how it works and I think I really liked it. I'm not sure how this wears throughout the entire day. I'll give you an update. Post filming this video, I'll add a text on it. But yes, as much as I've tried it and I think I even like the shade on me. It's a very nice deep purple. Yes, I really like it. I generally like lip shades like this. I also have another lip product from them because Mars lip products are quite famous. So I wanted to try a lot of them. So I bought 3 different variants. Let me try this one. This is Mars Drip Lip Mist. What are these tongue twisters that is happening? But okay, this is in the shade Cocoa Drip. This is how it looks. I'm gonna just put over this. I like it. I definitely like this one. This gave me a good sheen in just one swipe and it looks really good. This one's a proper brown, so just put the lip liner and the lip gloss also will look really good. And the formula is also good, very comfortable. So let's move to the last and final step, which is Seal the Deal Makeup Fixer. This is how it looks. So let's seal this deal. Let's try it out. Okay, this is how the makeup looks once the makeup fixer is applied, and I think that it gave a nice sheen to my face. Like, I did not put any highlighter, but you do notice that there is a sheen over here and like on my nose, and it looks really glowy, is what I'm trying to say. So yes, I really like this. This also I use on a regular basis. So this is also in my makeup kit. So if I'm dressing up for like any occasions or something, I use this, and I think it works really well. Your makeup doesn't budge even when it's sweaty. So I really like this. This is also very, very good, and I think you must try. And this is how the final look turned out using a full face of Mars products. And I think the brand in general is doing a great job with like the affordability, with the variety of products, with the finish, and how it feels on your skin also. I will put all the links of all the products in the description as well as the comments. And if you're looking at my face for the very first time, my name is Sarah. And to my audience who has been watching me, I love you all so much. Thank you for the love. I am feeling a lot of 2026 energy like in Feb. So yes, you're going to see a lot of videos. You're going to see me so often. In this year, I really want to concentrate on my YouTube properly, give the time that it deserves, because I feel that there is a lot of potential, and yeah, I think we can do this. So please do consider subscribing, and until I see you next time, bye babies, love you. Focus beta. Focus. Rara babu. अरे 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 फोकस है भैया. Come on, Superman, say stop a line. Bye, babies. Love you.